Need to transport your motorcycle quickly and safely? Flying your bike by plane is the fastest and most secure way to get it to its destination. But how do you find the right company to ship your motorcycle by air? Let's talk about how A-1 Auto Transport can help. For nearly 30 years, A-1 Auto Transport has been trusted by motorcycle owners to ship their bikes safely and securely. We specialize in air transport, ensuring your motorcycle arrives quickly and safely. And with our global shipping network, no destination is too far for us. Shipping your motorcycle by air is the fastest and most reliable method. Here's why you should consider it. First, air freight offers dependable arrival and departure times, ensuring your motorcycle reaches its destination on schedule. It's also the quickest way to get your bike from point A to point B, especially for international shipments or distant states. Not only is it fast, but it's also a highly secure method of shipping. Air freight reduces the risk of damage or lost goods, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your motorcycle is in good hands. You won't have to worry about storing your bike while it's in transit, and with air transport, you get lower insurance premiums due to the added security measures. Plus, you won't need to spend time on extensive packing and preparation. Air freight is efficient and hassle-free. When it comes to transporting your motorcycle, trust the experts at A-1 Auto Transport. With our decades of experience, top-tier service, and global shipping network, your bike is in safe hands. Get in touch today to start your motorcycle's journey by plane. Don't wait, get your free quote now, and let A-1 Auto Transport take care of the rest.